Hey sweeties, I made this cute sunflower bag with a pipe cleaner. For this you need a plastic sheet. You can also take a cover of a plastic box like this if you don't have the plastic sheet. Next you need any plastic box like I took. I am putting all the flossers in the ziploc to use it for my bag. After that I will be taking brown Play-Doh. If you have brown pipe cleaner you can use that. I didn't have that, so I will be using a brown Play-Doh instead. This is how we will be doing it all. You can see the process, and you will, if you have any question, if you can't understand what I am doing, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be answering all your queries regarding this. So let's see the process. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up as well. So guys, after this is done, we will put this aside to dry. Meanwhile, we will be making petals with the pipe cleaner. For this, we will be using one pipe cleaner. We will be dividing it into half. Then onto the other half, we will be giving it a twist. After twisting it, we will move the upper part down on the both sides like the way I am doing, like this. Then we will be twisting it from the downwards as well. And this is how we will be preparing all the petals. I have not counted the petals. You can just, it's too easy to make, so you can make it if you think that it's less, so you can make it more. This is how we will bend them, and these are all ready. After this, firstly we will be applying first layer. We will be using glue gun for this so that it doesn't come off. So we will be applying them one by one. After one layer is done of these petals, you can use it as such as well, but after doing the second petal, it will be looking like a sunflower, like a real sunflower. So this is how we're doing it. After one layer is done, this is how the sunflower will be looking. So next I will be doing a second layer. So after this is done, next we will be taking this box that I told you earlier, and we will be sticking it with the help of a glue gun as well. So after this is done, I will be taking a pipe cleaner to cover this box as well. But okay, before that we have to make holes inside the pipe cleaner. For this you can use anything sharp. I had this tool, so I'm using this. So this will be a little tricky because it will be difficult to do, as box could be hard. Next we will be taking a jump ring and we will be putting it inside. This part was a little difficult for me. So if you don't want to do this, you can also attach pearl, pearl hanging as well. I will be attaching the chain hanging. That's why I have to do this. Instead, if you want to attach a pearl hanging, for this you don't have to do the piercing. You can go as such. You can just attach the pearl hanging with the hanging with the glue gun, and it will be good to go. So I had less pearls, so I will be using the chain one. Next I will be covering this box with the pipe cleaner. So guys, this is the final look, how pretty it's looking. I will show you. My daughter was wearing this as well. We styled it with a sunflower theme shirt, and it was looking so beautiful that I can't tell you. So guys, do subscribe, and bye.